In my last two videos, I explained the concept of creating and selling the digital products online for generating the passive income. Here I explained that how you can create these digital products, and in this video I explained that the 9 different digital products that are simple to create and they also sell good online. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites on which you can create these digital products easily, because these websites are kind of a graphic designing websites that are free to start. On this, you can create the templates, logos, planners, to-do lists, and every kind of digital product that you can think of, and then you can sell them online. The first website that I want to introduce you is called Snappa. It is free to start, and however it also has a paid version. I'm going to show you the free version, but just to show you that what is the pricing plan. As you can see that it is free to start, and then if you want to join their pro version program, you need to just pay $10 a month, and you will be able to use all these features like here, as you saw that there is only one user. You will have access to 6,000 templates, around 5 million HD photos and graphics, and 3 downloads per month are allowed. But in case you want to start it as a business, you would like to make more printables which you can download, so then in that case it would be highly recommended to buy this pro version, for which you just need to pay $120 for the whole year, or $10 a month, and you can have the unlimited downloads. In this, you can also remove the image backgrounds also. And if you want to start this online business as a team, then you can buy this team program for $20. Once you will log into the Snappa, you would see all these social media posts, and you would see these already prepared formats which you can check out. The social media posts, the blogging and infographics, the banners, display ads. And if you want to start from scratch, you can just add the figure here, the height and the width you want to create, and click create. I will not be creating a digital product completely, but I'm just going to show you what all is available here. So here you would see that in the background, you can add these kinds of background just by one click, and then there are effects available. You can darken this, you can blur this, you can increase the saturation, and then brightness. Then you can add the text on that. You can change the color of the text. You can move the text here and there. You can increase the size of the text. You can change the font. You can increase the letter spacing. And if there are multiple lines, you can increase the line or decrease the line height. You can make the text transparent. Actually, what impresses me more about this website is the icon that you would find in the graphics tab. As you can see that here I have added a few icons, and these icons simply you can just select a plain background, transparent background, and you can just add these multiple images or icons, and then you can sell them as these stickers. So in the graphics, apart from the icons, they have the vectors. The vector graphics are also available. Then you would find the photos also. They also have the all possible shapes that you need to insert in these kinds of the graphics. You would find them over here. You can change the color of these graphics also. Once you're done with creating the digital product, so you can download them as the picture format. As you can see that the different picture formats are there. So just by removing the background and adding these icons, you can create the sticker bundles, and then you can sell them online on the websites like Creative Fabrica, Etsy, and Creative Market. The second website which I want to introduce you, on which you can create the digital products, is called Stencil. It is powered by the Namecheap. If you are into the field of blogging, you would definitely have heard about the Namecheap. They provide the domain and hosting in the field of the blogging, and they have also created this tool in which you can create all these stunning graphics and you can sell them online as the digital products. It is also free to start and use. If you want to start it as a hobby, it is totally free, but you have kind of restricted to 10 images per month, and as you can see that you can upload only 50 images. And if you want to start it as a business, then it is highly recommended that you go for this $12 a month, where there are no restrictions. You can download, upload unlimited images, videos, and all these things which you want to create on this. And this is the interface of this website. The icons, you would find photos over here, you would find the icons here. You would also get these templates on this website. This is the canvas on which you would be creating all these graphics, and it is also very user friendly. You can go and check out for yourself. I am giving the link for all these in the description. I will be making the specific tutorial on every website that I'm explaining here in detail, but as of now I will be moving to my last website which I want to recommend, and that is called Canva. I've already made a video on this. This is by far the most popular tool that the people are using for creating the digital products. You can basically do the photo editing, video editing, and you can also make the different templates like the planners, the social media planners, the Instagram stories, the personal planner, the personal documents like the invitation cards, resumes, weekly schedule planner, the business presentations, websites, logos, and this website has so many features available that they are difficult to explain in one video. So that is why most of the people talk about the Canva in a series of videos which I also plan to make. But as of now, what I wanted to show you that these are the three websites on which you can create the digital planners. You can join them for free, but later on you can buy these products in case you want to start this as a side hustle which you would ultimately be converting into your business. These digital products can fulfill the cost of all these websites. For example, the Canva, you have to just pay $55 a year, and so in case you have made one digital product that you are selling for $5, you just need to sell those 10 products or 11 products of those one digital product, and it will fulfill the cost for the whole year for the Canva. So in other words, the value they provide actually it is kind of a free. So I would highly recommend that if you want to start the business of selling digital products online, you pick any one of the websites which I have explained and just join the non-free version of that, because it will give you the flexibility to create things quickly, and then you can just earn money after fulfilling the cost of this for the complete year. If you want to make me videos on to the digital products, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will make further videos on the subject. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.